What's up, guys? It is Flair, and I'm on my grandmother's channel, and she said if she wished she had enough hands to go out and feed the seagulls, so I'm going to go help her. She was gonna record it, but yeah, this is her feeding the seagulls, so I'm gonna go out before it's gone. You said you wish you had enough hands to feed the seagulls.
Are you gonna film it?
I am recording.
Are you watching?
I watched your video and you said you didn't have enough hands to feed the seagulls. So.
Yeah, you watched it.
Yeah. All the seagulls.
Well, thank you, Ronald.
You're welcome.
You helped me diet mosquito. Some good ones today. Last time I came out, they didn't really like the bread. They seem to like it fine today.
Can I? Yeah. Got my own bread.
Look, I think this is the brown tide from Corpus. That's why the water looks brown. Trying to get one?
Yeah.
I don't think they'll come when we got all that out there.
Yeah. I tried. Oops, that was bad though. This is life on the water. At its finest.
Look at all those. Woo! We got a bunch there. Look at them. Oh my gosh. That's crazy.
I can't even see a thing since it's so bright, so I hope
Are you recording?
yeah. I hope the quality's good because I can't see a thing since it's so bright.
Look at them. Whole schools coming in, looks like. Families. Let's throw in a big piece, see if they carry it off. See if they do that.
Oh. Uh-oh. They tried. Got all those hands. No, I'm fine. I got it all over my clothes. I'm fine. No, thank you.
Look, they can't pick it up. They're just looking at it.
They're trying to nibble at it. They're tearing it apart. Where are you going?
Come get them over there. That's crazy. Oh, look, there's a kitty cat coming out to see what we're doing.
Uh-oh.
And the wild cat. See it?
Yeah, I'm getting it. I hope. Uh-oh. We got more, guys. Yeah, we pick up trash.
So many people leave their trash. See the cans? Get those on there.
Yes, ma'am. I'm picking up all the trash since a bunch of people like to trash this beach. It does not make me, my grandfather, or my grandmother, or even our cat and our dog happy at all. Got a little cross. Jesus is Lord. I'm gonna go throw this stuff away. More cans. Right over there in a trash bag. And another can. This place is so filthy. Especially since it's a beautiful place, too. This is all I can carry since I got... Oh, that is not cool. Not cool at all. Probably wondering what happened. Stupid beer spilled all over my clothes and my pants. Oops. Sorry. There's beer right there. It's not cool. Let's go pick up some more trash. So yeah, this is what we do like every week. Go and feed out all of our old food to the seagulls. And this is basically the group we give. So yeah. This is what we get. We do this every time. And just to let y'all know, this is going to be posted on my grandma's channel, not mine. Tony Rab, please go subscribe to her. She's doing really good so far, and she only started last week. And we're going to be doing more like Reek jumping into the water, which is our dog, playing with a cat. It's going to be a bunch of fun. So make sure to stay tuned and subscribe. I got beer all over me from picking up the trash.
Go to the pool.
Okay. So yep, this is the video of Tony Rad. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to ooh, there's a dead fish right there. Gotta get that. I don't know if y'all can see that, but.
And Ronald, help.
Yep. So make sure to subscribe to Tony Rad. We might post a video maybe tomorrow or the next day. She's only started for a week. Like I said again, she's doing really good.
There, look, they're all waiting for us to leave, probably.
Yep. We can't get enough food.
They're like waiting for the buffet later.
But yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe. And there's another fish. Stay tuned for some more Little House Living, Beach House. And we'll see you guys next time.